Hey Unleashers, congratulations on your graduation, and thank you for all of your work through our busy season. While we weren't as busy as we normally were, we couldn't have done all the things that we did in this kind of crazy, unusual year for Cambridge without your support. So thank you, Unleashers. Happy graduation, and I hope to see everybody soon. Thank you.
Hey Unleashers, thanks and congrats. Good to have you part of the team.
Hey Unleashers, I just wanted to congratulate you guys on all your new positions, and just thank you for everything you did in the past 6 or 8 months to help us get to our goals. So congratulations and thank you.
Hi Unleashers, we're very grateful for your contributions. There's no way we could make it through our busy season without you, and so congratulations for getting us through another busy season. Thanks.
Hey Unleashers, just wanted to give you a quick congratulations on graduation and welcome to the team. Happy to have you aboard and look forward to working with you. Thank you.
Hey Unleashers, thank you, and thank you for growing. As you grow, we grow.
Hey guys, just want to say thank you for being part of our family and congratulations on the completion of the Unleashers program.
Hey Unleashers, just wanted to say thank you for your contributions this year and congratulations for being selected to be part of the Cambridge team permanently. So awesome job, and again, thank you.
Cambridge Unleashed, Paul Akers here. I'm sitting on a plane getting ready to take off. I just got a message from Mark Braun, your president. He told me that there's a whole bunch of graduates now graduating from Cambridge Unleashed. Well, first of all, you are the luckiest people in the world that you even got connected with Cambridge, because Cambridge is one of the best companies in the world. Number two, you're secondly the luckiest person in the world because you're learning lean principles, and lean principles can truly change your life. I know it changed my life. It made all the difference in the world because I know how to think differently. I know how to solve problems. And why is that important? Because it obeys the laws of nature. God made you with a big brain. You know why? To solve problems and improve things. So when you go to work every day, you're not going to work to work. You're going to work to improve the way you work. This is the essence of lean, and we do that through the elimination of waste, through small little improvements. The aggregation of small improvements makes all the difference in the world. I wish you all the best. You connected with the greatest company. I feel so happy for all of you, and I can't wait to meet some of you someday. Thanks a lot.
Hey Cambridge, this is Luke Thompson with the 2-Second Lean.
Hi, for anyone who doesn't know me on first shift, I'm Steven. I've got a 2-Second Lean video for you today.
This is Brett over at the paint line, and our friend Kevin here noticed that it's daylight savings time and the clock was wrong, so we went ahead and fixed the clock.
Good afternoon Cambridge, it's Mike Taylor and Colt coming to you from the oven.
Hey Cambridge, I'm Joe. I work over here at the air ducts for first shift.
What is up Cambridge? It is Chris Teho over here at Team Second Shift. My man's AJ over there was working on a part.
Hi, I'm James Kalinowski from Second Shift Sheet Metal, and here's my 2-Second Lean.